Welcome back to National Signing Day presented by First Tennessee. We would like to welcome one more newcomer who is already on campus. He is in spring workouts right now and will participate in spring practice beginning in just a few weeks. Please help me welcome the newest Tennessee Volunteer, Jack Jones. Jack is a freshman offensive lineman coming to us from Middle Tennessee, from Murfreesboro, Tennessee, and Oakland High School. He is a four-star offensive lineman standing at 6'5", weighing in at 300 pounds. He posted 125 pancake blocks as a senior, despite missing 3 games with a knee injury. Then he was honored as Tennessee Class 3A Mr. Football Lineman of the Year in 2013 and 2014. He was an Under Armour All-American in 2015, and he lettered at Oakland High School in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. He's already on campus, ready to give us that offensive line pancake style of blocking. He served as class president, member of FCA, and Young Life in high school, so definitely had a lot going. And I would like you to help me welcome Mr. Jack Jones. He is here in the North Studio of the Ray and Lucy Hand Digital Studio. National Signing Day, Jack. It's finally here. How are you feeling today?
I'm excited, to see all the guys that I've been help recruiting for the past 2 years pretty much, and to see everybody kind of officially coming together. It's really exciting.
It's no mistake that you grew up a Tennessee fan. You definitely bleed orange. But tell us, what was it, when you finally got that offer, what did that feel like?
I don't really know how to describe it. It's one of the best days of my life. I wanted to commit on the spot, but I waited to be with my family and the people that had helped me get there. So I was 2 days later. And when I got that offer, got off the phone with Coach, I was just like all the weight, everything I've been waiting for my whole life, just all the pressure off my shoulders. I was like, I'm going to be a Tennessee Volunteer. That's been my dream since I was a little kid, running out of the tee, and I get to live it out. It's going to be awesome.
And it was a good feeling.
Great feeling.
All right, so you're on campus right now. Talk us through kind of your schedule. You're in spring workouts, you're in class. How's it going so far? What's the adjustment like?
It's definitely an adjustment. You're kind of becoming a big boy now. So every day I usually get up. I have an 8 a.m. class. I have a class in the morning and a class usually around 11 or 12, and eat lunch. Then I go work out, go home, do homework, study, go to Thornton, repeat every day. So I love it. So it really hasn't been that hard to adjust because I'm just enjoying every second of it.
All right, Jack, it's no mistake that you, no surprise either, that you were pretty involved on Twitter in helping recruit these other guys, and you can see downstairs the bricks are lining up for Team 119. Talk a little bit about that and what you thought your responsibility was to help get all of those falls here.
I felt since I was one of the earlier recruits and guys to commit, it was kind of my responsibility to bring things together and go after guys to help my team be the best team it could be. So now that I'm seeing those guys brick by brick going down there and each name being called, it's kind of like, wow, I texted this guy, I did this with this guy. I have a little story behind each one. So it's just an amazing feeling because all of these guys, we got a great group. Everyone's good. Usually they're all team players and they all have the same goal of getting Tennessee back to the top and winning a national championship, winning SEC championships. So I'm very excited.
That's exactly what we want to hear. Taking us to the top. You got it. Well, Jack, officially welcome to the Tennessee Volunteer family. Cannot wait to see you dressed out as Team 119.
Can't wait either.
Good deal. All right, now let's go down Riverside with Danny Kleppinger. She's standing by with Director of Player Personnel Bob Welton to recap the past hour.